You can easily search the TurboTax community with a question or a keyword. The results are sorted by articles, which are support FAQs, authored by TurboTax, or community, which are discussion threads with community members, tax experts, and champs, or all, which includes both articles and community results. You can filter results by selecting the type of TurboTax product that you are using. It is helpful to look for community results that are marked Solved to further refine your search. Select the search result that best matches your specific situation and review the discussion thread. If you still have questions, you can either reply on the thread to ask a follow-up question or start a new discussion by selecting Make a Post. For more answers to your questions, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.